Like I told you last time, I really like to record videos on vacuum lines and all that. So keep your eyes open, so you might need to know what thing is behind the intake manifold or behind the engine. So hopefully you get something good out of this video. There is another piping right here. There's a and there's the jack valve. Yeah, the jack valve. It has two 4 bolts, 10 millimeters down here, 4, and then also it's got another one right there. This one has another second bolt right there in the middle. And right here is a one pipe, cooling pipe, this one, and there is another cooling pipe right here. This one too. This goes to the intake, and it returns to the turbos. You see this line right here, it comes all the way to this side, and it returns to right this side, and that comes to the turbos. And from the turbos it goes back again to this pipe right here. So that's basically what you are gonna see behind the intake manifold. There is some vacuum lines. They are not connected here from some sensor. There's on this side, on the side of the car. We have NOx sensor. This one should be inside, but here the some people, they leave it right here, so we're just gonna leave this in there. This is another cooling pipe that goes to the turbo and return also right here. It comes up here on the intake throttle body or the intake manifold, and that one comes all the way here and comes up here too. It comes all the way here and goes right here too, that one right there, and it returns on this side too. So that's how it looks, guys. All right, now we can continue with the clutch.